Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another crypto basics video tutorial. And in today's video, we're going to look at how you add 𝗕𝗪_1 to MetaMask wallet. So some simple steps here. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel, helps push out the content to like-minded individuals. We really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you're kept up to date with all the latest tutorials and news in this crypto space. So let's head down to the desktop. So here we are, we see my MetaMask wallet. Obviously it's on the Ethereum chain. This is a test wallet. All you do, click on the Ethereum mainnet, add network, and basically we're just going to type in here 𝗕𝗪_1. I do have 𝗕𝗪 mainnet is what we're going to type here. I do have a website which I will link in the description of this video in order for you guys to be able to just copy and paste these details here. Right, we've got the 𝗕𝗪_1 API, and then all we need to do is just add 𝗕𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦's code here, the ID. The ID there. We're just going to type in symbol 1, and that is pretty much it. It'll tell you here that, you know, people like with, you know, that are malicious may provide you some details that are incorrect. Click save, and there you go. You've added 𝗕𝗪_1 to your MetaMask wallet. And you know, there are a few other tutorials on basically how to send 𝗕𝗪_1 to your MetaMask wallet, and also how to send 𝗕𝗪 from your MetaMask wallet to an exchange, because there are a few additional steps if you wish to do that. So I hope this video was useful and educational and supports you in some way. If it doesn't, do let us know in the comments below if there's any questions, that sort of stuff. Also jump into our Discord, link is in the description. Have some more meaningful conversations with us in the Discord. We'd love to see you there. I hope this really did help. If you enjoyed the content, mash up that like button. It really is appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll drop the link to the details required to copy and paste the information into MetaMask. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.